We gotta track Piper. Tracking. Boop, 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 boop. Kitty cats go meow meow. Kitty cats go meow. Pretty sure that's copyright. I don't know if it is or not. I'm gonna cut that out of the video. Or not. Might be a slippery snake over here. Why? Butterfly. If I was a cat, where would I be? That's a dead mouse. I'm pretty sure Piper's in the trailer. Hello? Do you want to build a snowman? I need $30 because I always record with my laptop. Let me move that. I need $30, then I can afford a GoPro with a ton of mounts. Please! I need a GoPro. Another mirror! It's time to be like Arthur Morgan. Where are they, boy? Where are they, boy? Where's Piper, boy? Stupid. I barely smacked him. Oh yeah! On my legs! My legs are broken. I want to cry. Not because I can't find Piper, because I just got bit by a mosquito. And it hurts. Ow, my leg. Well, since I can't find Piper, I'll find the next big thing. Horsey! I'm just kidding. Not the horses. Where's the cat? The cat. Also, the reason I'm not posting on my Mason Plays Some Games channel is because I can't find my phone. I put it somewhere. I put it on the counter. Next day, it's gone. Where is Little Pete? Where is it? Wait, no, listen to me. Listen to me. No, hey, listen to me. Oh, Little Pete, hi. You two-legged little bird. Get on my hand. Get. There's somewhere I can put this chicken phone in the fear. Right there. Yeah, little Pete's. Go on my hand. How dare you! Am I cool yet? I hate this little peepus. Get on my hand. Stupid. Recording videos for absolutely no reason. Where is that cat? I need to find the kitty. If I was Piper, where would I be? Richard, I know you're watching this video. Did you steal Piper? You stole Piper, didn't you? Richard stole Piper. I'm gonna go. Oh God! It's a steak. That scared me. Hello? 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 I give up. I can't find Piper. A bug! I give up. Also, I turned on comment.